This is Mininov's Hot Pot. Let's dive right in. The package includes 2 cards, a warranty card and a user manual, which contains all the essential information about the product. Setting these aside, let's focus on the product itself. Removing the top cover reveals another component of the hot pot. Let's take it out and unwrap the bubble wrap to reveal the heating base, which comes with a power cord already attached. To set it up, pull out the power cord, and you'll notice a crevice designed to align the cord. Make sure the cord sits properly in the crevice so the heating base stays flat and steady. Next, place the hot pot machine securely on top of the base. Taking a closer look inside the pot, you'll notice 2 indicator lines, the max line and the min line. Always ensure the contents stay between these lines to avoid spillage or underfilling. Now that we're familiar with the setup, let's get started. Begin by plugging in the machine, then pour water into the pot, ensuring it doesn't exceed the max line. The hot pot features 3 heating modes, off, low, and high. Simply select your desired mode, and the machine will start heating right away. From here, you're ready to make your hot pot. It's quick, easy, and perfect for enjoying at home. Add your favorite ingredients, whether meats, vegetables, or noodles, and share the experience with friends and family. The possibilities are endless. You can also use the Mininoff Hot Pot for making broths, oatmeal, and so much more. With Mininov's Hot Pot, you can create delicious meals and unforgettable moments, whether with loved ones or enjoying a cozy meal by yourself. Make every meal special and bring the joy of hot pot into your home. Happy cooking!